जहां दूसरे रुक जाते हैं, मैं वहीं से शुरू करती हूँ।
लेजर टेक, ताकत और मकसद दोनों एक ही राह पर।
Presenting the new generation of LaserTech angle grinders. LHD 900 AG. Slim body for convenient grip that feels effortless in your hand. LHD 1000 AG. Precise CNC. Machining for enhanced product life and performance. LHD 803 AG. Water and dust resistant. Interchangeable with popular models. LHD 9913 AG. Robust IGP design offers great value for money. LHD 4/5 AG. Double lock design for easy and convenient change of accessories. LHD 1250 AG. Powerful 5-inch angle grinder built for bigger and versatile job requirements. Built with precision. Engineered for professionals. LaserTech, where power meets purpose.